Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to create a new alarm on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the clock applications here, and now I'm gonna go it. And after, here at the bottom you will see any options here guys. To create a new alarm, you just have to go to this first option, which is alarm. If you want to set or create a new alarm, you just have to tap on this plus button at the bottom. Now here you just have to set it first for the time. Here for example, I'm gonna set it 14:00, and after tap on OK. And after, here at the bottom you will see an alphabet that is for days here guys, from Monday to Sunday. If you want to set it, you just have to tap on this alphabet like this. For example, I'm gonna set it and create it only for Monday, Thursday, and Wednesday. And after, here at the bottom you will see the post alarm. Here you can tap on this plus button and you can choose the date that you wanna post the alarm here guys. So here I'm gonna cancel it. And after, here for the default, this is for the alarm sounds here guys. You just have to tap on it. Here I'm gonna tap on dismiss because I don't have any sound on music for the alarm. I'm gonna tap on dismiss, and you will see here the sound options from the device here guys. The default one for the alarm is like that. But if you want to change it, you just have to choose this at the bottom, any options. For example, I'm gonna change it to the neon one. And after, I'm gonna go out. Now for the vibration, you can activate or not by tap on this checklist icon. Here at the next options, which is Google Assistant routine, you can tap on this plus if you wanna set for the alarm in this Google Assistant routine guys. And then yeah, to save it, you just have to close the page because it will automatically save, and it will ringing at 14:00 in every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.